All you need is a 10mm socket. And you can see the old switch is done for, completely fallen apart. And I just need a 10mm socket, and you go in here. You can see that is how the switch is mounted. So just gonna use the socket to loosen it here. This one is loose. And then again, the second one. That's it, and now we can use our fingers to unscrew it. Then you can take the bracket off. And then the switch just comes out like this. There you go. You can take it out. Here we have our switch. And now we just need here is the connector. We disconnect this. Back here, you can see this one snaps in or out, so it's locked, and then just pull it like this, it's unlocked. Once that's done, you should just be able to, don't touch it here, just this lower part here comes out. There we go, that's it. The new one goes in here. Now just put a tiny bit of grease on here on the O-ring. Just gonna pop the new switch in like that. It's to tighten it again, goes back there. There you go. And we tighten those two bolts again. Then we just connect those two again. That's it. We're done. The new switch is installed and ready to go.